Hey guys, how you doing? It's Josh down here at Flippin Tail. I have Yamaha 200s. They are currently 2024 and I've got about 300 hours on them. Today I'm going to show you how to change the thermostats in your Yamaha 200s. I'm going to pull my cowlings off. Literally just flip these two levers right here. And then there's one right there. And then that cowling's going to come right off. Alright, we're going to get the thermostat checked out here. So up top, we're going to take off this plastic cover right here. We're just going to loosen it up and pop it up because we have to get at this. This is where your thermostat housing is going to be. So he's got one 10mm bolt right there, and he's got another one on the other side. So we're just going to loosen that guy up. This comes up, your thermostat's right in here. Those are going to be 10mm too. Alright, so we're just going to pop that up just enough. You don't need to take it all the way off. We're just going to pop it up so we can get these bolts right here. Those are 10mm. We're going to loosen them all together. It says there's only two, but I see three here. We're going to loosen all three of those. Three, and then this is just gonna pop right off, and that is water coming out of there. So hold that real quick. So we're gonna take a look at this. So this actually looks really good. A little bit of corrosion, but a little corrosion right here where water's been sitting maybe. If it's bad, this little rivot's gonna be rusted out, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that one.
What? My bad.
He's new to YouTube.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the old one, that's the new one. This one's still working. You know, I mean, that's really what you're looking for. There is a little corrosion going on, so before this gets corroded too bad, I'm going to go ahead and replace it now. So we're literally just going to slide that right there. And then we're going to put that back on. And make sure our bolts line up right. And we never tighten. Here, let go of this. We never tighten everything until we've started everything.
My hand's hurting so bad holding this.
Oh gosh, he's holding a GoPro and his hand is falling apart. Alright, you're gonna give it a little bit of little torque to it. Boom, boom. Alright, new thermostat there. And we're gonna do the same thing on the second one. Oh yeah, so we do need to snap this back there. Make sure that's snapped in. Double check this is snapped in, and then he's gonna put his 10mm back in up top and take the other ones off. Hey guys, as always, thanks for checking out the channel. If there's anything that I helped you with today that you appreciated, if you could like and subscribe, it would definitely help the channel and help me bring you some more content. So if you hit that like button down at the bottom, I'd really appreciate it. Leave a comment, ask any questions you may have, and I'll definitely respond to you. Hey, until next time, have a great day.